Okay, GD Vicarja so seo an rang dearnach a rih brisú brisú rih na leihananta sira agus tá méid cinnte ghil sibh ag dúil go mór leis. So seo an ceach dearna ar an tocras mór, mai sibh de ahan duine a drasal ar an cathút in sin an teachtain se caiite bí haar fa daithid a lethir agus rimuid dul siar ahan eile rud a dólamid faoin ocras mór. So inniu am rud a dhéanamid na Jenny mé tógra taide faoi gré a bhain den ocras mór den vasanú. So bé seo mar vasanú sugah ar teirma a trí agus míú mé ahanila rud atá le Jenny agah. So parent slide, just to explain what we're doing today. So the students will engage in a research project on everything that they have on an aspect of what we have learned about the famine. They will have options, a variety of options of aspects of the Great Hunger, and they need to choose one of those topics and to research it in depth. It needs to be 5 to 10 slides minimum. We expect this to be on PowerPoint or Google Slides. We want to see pictures and links to other sites to prove that they have actually researched the topic. They can include videos if they like as well, and this will be their assessment for term 3. PJ will, one of our history teachers, will be available for a half an hour on Wednesday live with the students, which happens every week, and they will have a chance, students will have a chance to ask any questions that they might have about this topic. If you aren't available for the live session, which happens every Wednesday at the last half hour of the history session, then you can of course ask questions on the stream and the teacher will get back to you. Okay, Carter, so Margaret was na crutch rahanu, Bishop Gold the Togra Taija. So Gujay Killian Taija, Killian Shay, Nura Hen to August Chentu Erlina, August Len to Kujwar Faruda topic again, okay? But while in Gume Eder Kuig, August J. Sloanan or a lead August, but while in Shaw or PowerPoint, no Google Slides, but while in Yard Pictory, Echo, Fishine, August Naskana Hig Siwana, so Kaitu Ra Ka Wurtu and Shaw Shaw. Kaitu topic a wine a ronu near Wylum Toger Taija for the Anna Rada Harda Linnockrish War, but I'm just go near Shivisha or topic a wine August Ha Rain Ugum Earn Cage Sloan and Ella. Jan Cudwar Taija Fine topic, lake an Erda Smoker Fedula for the topic, Arker Fishine, Arker Factory, Arker Siona Ederlane, August Kershaw a leg dog cooked buncha. August Mas Main live is Fedula Oberlakila in Rupi Mas Main lat near what I'm nice Mona Trur and in group of wine, my running ship on Shinianu. August my Yanan Shipshin, but while I'm finished Ekel, Gur Obershiblakila, Bioshin, Pecked and Trurogav or Google Meets, no Peck Dave or WhatsApp call the Kila, no screen grab de Shipsha a Kerchakdrati Hegakila, no text na Hegakila. So, carry at the top bagi ata le Jenny Govogus Marder to me Haishava Kyun a wine a ronu. So, an Kian na era Riven Okrish more, so Igarker and Dienra and Fwasa Dienra, na Prati and Doi Garo and Naher and Ikbra, Ern Frata, Tierney Talon, Gajay Maravi, Kershi Talon and Yaran, Gajay Mar Height and Tierney Talon, Lishna Chunanti Marhampla. Higan Arker do na brati, Kajavi on, Igarker and Tiv Oliakta, Tiv here to do na prati, so Higlif Shin Ayanu, Igarker, Kaijala or Hitshaw Mac, or in Europe, August Kajay Kajirak avi on, kin sort fungus avi on, August kin sort damaged a rin shade na prati. And trio Ray and Shaw na and Fwishu no and Kudju o realtas na Bratanio major and Aspa Fwishuv or courier file an Aspa Kudju or cur na Sassni or file Hegan Arker Kitega be run under Vanyam Laze Fair, my market shiver shin Kajavi on Hegan Arker Chaff na Mocht, Kajavi Gesh, Kinser Comavier, Hegan Arker Tihi Chaff na Mocht. is clutchy in year and ignam to skibberine bidger mar and sample is far the chat no is massa ik garker kje harle chat the mark and fevers hegarker na skemen ibre publi mar hapla kje gesh kin sort ready or hog sheed kje mar en pa kje harle the nadini agus eid er na skemen ibre publi okay and Carrie Ray na lunga boash Kershis Kajabi on, Kaja Harla Erna Longa Shaw, Caro should a gull, Nur Kaja Marvina Cunulaha, Kaja Marvin Seal Erna Longa Boash, Kaja Harnadini Wurboas Erna Longa Boash. Immerka, Higarakar mid Dinia Jimmy or Immerka, Kan Yahi Sheed, Ken sort Dinia Jimmy or Immerka, Kempa Nahi Ahandiner Immerka, Kajamara Chahu Lesh Nehemmerkisha Nurabi Shid Hal, Insnachir Hanu Shaw, Kajamarvi and Seal Dive. Higarakar charged the valiant K Hay, Kajabi Gate, Ken sort rule of Viega, Lilin Okrish War, Kajarin Shehan, Kudjir car file, no Beijing Narkershin urgent Kudjir file, Kajir Craig Shay, Fuda and Tokers more Ignam. Higarakar and Rutshaw a Harla near Ark much more in her shop, but be ear Jersey era Mac on Lesh, but be eerie Mac on Lilin and Okrish War, be Naherni Oga, Teep here to Shin, Higarakar Kinner Hardashay, Kahiter Hardashay, Cancer Comavier, and word in a be Boas, or curd in a be a Brizzoon, Campan our Erie Lesh, Campan Nakushay Rahul, August Nafana Teep here to Shin. Agus an ré dearnachatan na math na giliga Catega a ron urgent chonahur ag an ocras mór an gilik agus agur de statistiki cantraha inyerin caiit rinne níos mó damasha na ag an brajda cantra ela mar hampla. So sin na réana a lake so ta híon dá trí cear cúig sé seo 8 réagah ní caiit se bheith ceanna bhaine ronu and cook funchi yani or Google Slides no PowerPoint agus marders made by Shaw Marvasanu de Herma a tray Yoiship grad Vahanya Shaw agus Bawilum feckle gur leishiv sheer earn texor Johnny at Rudderby a Dulum Shiv and Sarang on Clar Feishnisha Ahanel rudder rimwudge a churstack on the task na like a rimwudge house na Jean Glassla Gaji anish. Okay, so Ganeri live, murders may be PGR file, the taku live, August Hegel Keshna Kerr and stream Fosta Matashidi. Ganeri live.